Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue our login action. We created our uh, controller. Now we will carry on with the website. Add view, and this is going to be reserve view again. And we're not gonna use any layout page. This is not gonna be partial. Yep. Let's continue with the an empty reserve page. I'm waiting to the Visual Studio. Still waiting. Okay, all right. I'm going to delete this one. So we need a form, right? Let's have a look our template www.root login. Yeah, let's open this login page. Let's Control A and C. But before that, leave this page here. I'm gonna take the common specifications from sign up page. Control A, Control C, login CSHTML, and let's delete it. So we're going to change the main, right? Just this main. Let's delete it. Okay, now it's same with the same specifications with the sign up page. Now I'm gonna get this main, Control C, to the login page. Alright, let's have a look quickly now. So what we have here, container, content center. There is a logo section. I don't want any logo. Delete it. Cart body. Okay, perfect. Now we need to add our form specification now. So I don't want any validation here. Let's delete it. I'm not gonna use a no validate. Labels. Label. This is input. This is the span. Username. I'm just gonna delete all of them. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna bring it from my sign up page. Yeah, perfect. Let's have a look. Sign up. Let's bring our one of our methods from here. Yep. Control V, Control KD, and let's add our V model. Add model, log in V model. Perfect. All right. Must be fixed now. So we add login V model. Don't we have any username? No, we have an email here. Okay. Because we're going to log in with the email. Yep. Alright. Email. Perfect. So we have a password. Let's copy from password. And we have, okay, perfect. We have a remember me, right? I forget. I guess I deleted. I guess I deleted. Let's go back to the template. Where is login? Let's find out remember me section. Yeah, here we go. Let's copy this section. And here we go. From check class type checkbox name. We don't need name. I don't want any. Yes, keep it true. ID, I don't need ID. Label and for remember me. Okay, let's delete it. as well. Okay. Now ASP4 remember me. Remember why there is why I can't find any remember me. Is it oh guys we changing wrong place. Sorry about that. Oh let's control X and now make control Z. Okay, alright. Let's go back to the login, control V, perfect. Now remember me here. Okay. ASP4 remember me, and we don't any span any validation for this section, so I'm not gonna edit. Checkbox value true, remember me, perfect. It's done, I guess. Let's clear this section as well. And anything else do we need to add? Let me have a look quickly. Yeah, let's add the form now. ASP controller authentication, ASP action. What was the name of action? Login. Perfect. And this is going to be a post method. Perfect. And if you remember, we need to send a request URL. So I'm gonna have a quick look for my previous project to how we can send our request URL. Let's go to our Weave for sign in portfolio. Weave's sign in. Let's have a look quickly. Authentication sign in. Yeah, this is the root return URL. This is what we need to post our action, guys. ASP root return URL, which is this is variable. We can change it. If it must be the same with the variable in your action, and we will use the context request query return URL. That's the thing. All right, let's get back to our project. What was the name? ASP root return URL, and it must be at context dot request dot what was the next query? Yeah, we have a query, right? Query and return URL. Let's have a quick look. Is everything, if it's everything correct? Return URL post. Alright, okay, perfect. Let's add our alert. It's going to be same with the sign up. Control C and Control V. Alert is added. Email, password, remember me. Perfect. Authentication login. Very nice. Okay, now I'm going to try this login method, but to able to use it, guys, I am going to add where is our controllers? Authentication area admin controller. Okay, I'm gonna add here out of rice. So this section has to be authenticated to logged in, and the dashboard. I guess it's authorized if I remember correctly. Let's have a try to to try to open these pages before login first. Okay. Let's where is the view? Where is the yeah dashboard, right? Now view in browser. I'm waiting. Yeah. This is the return URL. As you can see, guys, this is the return URL. We tried to log in admin dashboard index, but we redirected because we didn't authenticate now. So if you remember, we add some settings in our service layer. Let me show you again. Extensions, identity, login path. This is the authentication login. If there is a failure in login, we're going to redirect to this address. That's the thing, guys, okay? That's the main thing about logging in and catching return URL. And how we catch our return URL. Let's have a look. Our login, yes. So we enter the URL to see the page, right? So we catch the return URL with this query, okay? With this tag helper. So let's get back to our login page now. Email, what was our email? I guess it's test@test.com. The password is, for example, let's try all of them. I'm gonna make it with the debugging. Okay, let's open the debug mode and we're going to try every scenario. Okay, let's minimize it. Now I am going to open my controller. Okay, first validation. Let's fail this section, okay? And we're going to I'm gonna try all these sections, okay? And this one, perfect. The last one. Okie dokie. Let's try. Now I didn't enter any password, just try to log in, and we are here we are. It's failed and we are in this scope now. Let's press F on, F on, F on, F. Yep. And return view. We're going to see now. Are we still in here? Yeah, we're still here. And it's sent. Let's have a look. Yeah, password must have a value. We have all the messages here. We're going to fix that one. Okay, it's better to see it now. Let's have a look quickly. We have same messages for free time. Okay, let's continue. We're going to fix this and let's enter any different user and add some password. Okay, just log in. And now here we are. Yeah, we are here now. Let's have a look. Is there any, sorry guys, let me close my WhatsApp first. Sorry about that. Let me close from here. Where is the WhatsApp? Where is the WhatsApp? Yeah, no. And task. Perfect. Sorry about that. Let's continue. Do we have any user here? We tried to find any user, but the request email is test9@test.com. But is there any user? It's null. If it's null, we have a problem here. Let's continue now. Now continue. Email or password is wrong. This is perfect. It's working. Now the other one is login result. If it succeed, let's see what's gonna happen if we succeed. Test at test.com and password 12 star. Let's log in. Yep. Let's have a look now. Is there any user? We sent test at test.com and user, yeah. We found the user which is called with the test and the all informations are here, security stamp, password hash and everything here. So it's found it. Let's continue. Now we're going to sign in. Login result is succeed. If it succeed, we're going to redirect to return URL. And I'm going to put another debug here, breakpoint here. Let's continue and continue, guys. So we here, dashboard, we're logged in. Okay, all right, perfect. Now, okay, we're going to try logged out and failed attempt. Now, we didn't add logout. Why it's still working? I already closed it. Sorry about guys. I'm gonna. Never mind. Let's finish lesson quickly. Uh, let's right click, inspect. I didn't add logout yet, so I'm going to delete the cookie, and it's going to make us logged out. Um, bring it here. It's application, cookies, and this is our cookie. As you can see, plumbing company. You see that? Let's just clear all of them. Delete, delete. Perfect. Now close. Okay, now we logged out. Let's continue now. We're still in debug mode, right? Let's stop it and start again. Perfect. We're going to work on now with the logged out login. Let's find out our view, authentication, login, view in browser. Perfect. Now for the failed attempt, I'm going to add test at test.com and just type password 12 slash because our password is and with the star. Just log in. Here we go. Let's have a look. Do we have any return URL? This is null. So this is null. Let's press F10. So return URL is /admin. This is the, it comes with the default. Okay. All right. Let's continue. If there is any user, yeah, it's found it. Login result is failed. So what's gonna happen? It's failed. It's not going inside. It's not going to enter inside the scope. And login is locked out. Is it locked out? No, it's not locked out yet. It's just a failed attempt. And let's continue. Email password is wrong. Failed attempt first. I'm gonna add a dot here. I forget it. Okay. Failed attempt is 1. Let's do it again. Password to dash, for example. Logged in. Continue, continue, continue. Failed attempt is 2. Let's do it again. Password 15 stop. Continue, continue, continue. And your account is locked out for 60 seconds. Now we have to wait for 60 seconds to rejoin, re-enter our account. This is how it's going to work, guys. Perfect. Everything is working, but the first problem, actually the only problem we have is we have 3 message here. So let me see how I can fix it. What was the main problem is a validation, right? Let's try to log in again. Hmm. We have messages here and here. Let's see the let's see this page. We sent okay. So we if we shouldn't send or not succeed, it's going to be then we're going to prevent this. Yeah, we're going to prevent these messages because I'm sending this VBAC result and it's activate this section and it's multiple it makes it send as a multiple same error messages. So let's stop it. Let's close all debugging now. Let's delete all breakpoints. Perfect. Let's delete that not succeed. Actually, we didn't need a debug, but it's alright. Mhm. Let's open our login CSHTML. Yep. Now let's test it. For example, login password must have a value. Perfect. Let's delete it. Login email must have a value. Perfect. It's working very well, guys. If you click on remember me, you will going to keep your cookies for, I guess we assign it 60 days or 1 day, no, 60 minutes. Yeah, it's going to keep your cookies for 60 minutes and you don't need to log in again. Perfect. It's working. Let's have a look. Is there anything we need to add in our project? We did sign up, we did log in, and I'm gonna finish all authentication sites from our login page because we're going to add forgot password and reset password site with the with an email helper. I'm going to finish everything, and after we finish our authentication phase first, I'm gonna call this phase first phase. When it's finished, I'm going to go through with all codes and go through all the pages, and if it's needed, I'm gonna do the refactoring and make them much more cleaner, like creating a service layer if it's needed, and I'm gonna test all the codes if there is a mistake, and we're going to finalize it. Perfect. Let's finish this lesson here and let's continue with the forget password, I guess, with the other lesson. Okay, I'm going to tell you when it started, which lesson is going to be next. Okay, take care of yourself, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.